what's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Orlando, Florida. Yeah, I'm far away from home, 2 hours away from home. This customer reached out to me from watching my YouTube videos. Asked me if I would come out here. Normally I don't come out this far, but you know, he was willing to pay me extra to come out here, so we came out to take care of him. We're gonna seal the pavers. He has some brick pavers in the front, and he has some textured marble pavers in the back, so we're gonna do those with the Deco20. And in the front we're gonna use Silica with a 1-to-1 ratio. Malik is with me. We're gonna double team this. I'm gonna soft wash the back. He's gonna surface clean the front, and we're gonna let everything dry, come back and do the rest of the job. The front will get sanded and sealed. The back doesn't need to be sanded. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got questions, just ask and hit the bell for new content. Let me show y'all the job. So on the front, they had these pavers sealed about 2 years ago, but it rained right after they got it done, so a lot of the sealer didn't get cured. So on this side of the driveway, it looks a little grayish looking, like the sealer had worn off or rolled off the pavers. So we're gonna redo everything and get everything looking good. Over here you can see we got some rust. I'm not sure if they have some kind of rebar or anything on the joint right here, because you can see it's right in the center. I'm gonna see if I can use some pink power. I also have some rust power, which is for metal, and the pink power is for like sprinkler rust. So we're gonna see, you know, what we can do over here to make everything look good for him. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So this is the back. Nice pavers. Look like they were just laid. Look like they could probably do some turf over here. It's gonna be nice back here. But you can see these pavers. They're just, like I said, the textured pavers. They have the grain in them, the non-slip. They don't get the same type of sealer as brick pavers. They just get the clear sealer, just to protect from any stains and also any spills. Easy to clean up if anything happens. So we're gonna soft wash back here. Probably gonna add like a 3 to 4% mix with a P40 and just rinse it off. All right, let's get this thing on the road. Traffic was a little bad, of course, coming to Orlando. Anytime coming and leaving Orlando is always traffic. It's 9/11. We're gonna clean this thing up and give it a few hours to dry, and then come back and do the sealer. Y'all stay tuned. All right, you guys, we got the mix down on the pavers. You can see here. You gotta let this thing sit and dwell, and then rinse it off with another low pressure. Like I said, we're soft washing back here. We're not gonna put the surface cleaner on these pavers. You can surface clean them if you want, but these ones don't have to be. We're gonna apply some rust power first, which is for the metal rust. We're gonna see how that reacts. If not, I do have the paint power as well over there. But right now I got the rust power mixed 50-50 with water, and I'm gonna see how it reacts. Alright, so I applied a rust power over here on this block. I'm gonna try the paint power on this block. This is still dwelling. We'll see what happens when we rinse it off. We're gonna try some paint power on this side. Alright, you guys, this has been dwelling for about, give or take, 3-4 minutes, and it looks like the paint power is the winner for this type of rust. That's why it's best to have both on hand. I actually sprayed it down there too, so I did 2 blocks. I did this and that one over there, but you can see the difference between these two. So I'm gonna spray this side now with the paint power. Alright, y'all, we got the pavers in the front clean. We treated the rust that was up here. It's starting to dry. You can see right here, starting to dry. We're gonna go ahead and let this thing dry up all the way through. Come back and do our thing. The rust remover came out pretty good. Pretty good. The back is rinsed. When we come back, we'll probably start with the back first. Well, I'll start in the back and let Malik start in the front and start sanding the pavers. The back should be pretty quick because all I gotta do is spray it real quick with the Deco20. Y'all, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and add our sand and sealer. A lot of the joints aren't bad. We got 1 bag of sand. That's gonna be enough to get this done. I'm gonna help Malik get that situated. The back, like I said, is gonna be easier. I'm gonna check it to see how dry it is. They do have that covered porch. Sometimes that area takes longer to dry. We give it 2 hours to dry, so it should be good. Up here is definitely good because the sun is right on it and it's hot today, so we're gonna get going. Y'all, I'm doing the front. Malik is in the back. He's using the blower. There was a few spots that had remaining moisture, so we're gonna make sure those are dry. So I'm doing the front, he's doing the back. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and blow all the excess off. A lot of the joints, the sand had got washed out since the day was sealed. It rained, so I guess it didn't have time to lock in. But you can see I got a lot of excess. I'm gonna go ahead and blow all that off while the back is drying. We might go ahead and just seal the front, give the back a little bit more additional time, because the back, no sanding is needed. But yeah, y'all can see what the rust remover is looking like. Looking kind of good, huh? All right, guys, we just put the sealer down. It's starting to take shape. It's starting to look good. Thought I was gonna have the back roll over there. I may still do it, but I know it's gonna soak in the joints. You can see here a little heavy flood spot right there. I may back roll it. This tree's in my way, so that's why this is standing around more than these areas over there. Sir, we're gonna go in the back and do the back. All right, you guys, this is the back pavers. They're all bone dry right now. They're not sealed yet. See if I can do a test for you guys. If it's gonna show on camera. See how dark the pavers got when the water falls on. There's no sealer on there. If it was sealer on there, it would be completely clear. So we're about to mix the Deco20 from Deco Products. And one coat only is what it takes. This is about 1,100 square feet, which is perfect for the 5-gallon bucket because you can only apply it once. Y'all, we just got done spraying the deck. We're gonna clean up some around, put everything up. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I get back. Remember earlier when I splashed the water from the pool, it looked dark on the pavers. We're gonna do a test with some water. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this is still drying. If you look around, I'm not sure y'all can pick it up. It's like dried in some spots. Underneath the patio is still wet because there's no circulation. We're gonna have to turn the fans on, so that's going a little faster. But over here, you see the sun is drying a little faster. Earlier when I did the test, I took the pool water, I spilled it on the deck, and you see how the pavers turn dark. So we're gonna do a little test. Just got some water in here. I'm gonna throw it in the same spot. You won't see no dark spots at all. No dark spots anywhere. That's what you want. I can do it over here as well. And this is gonna help you with if you spill any drinks, food, grease. It's gonna help you clean it up faster. You won't see nothing. The water sits on top of the pavers. It doesn't penetrate. So the same thing will happen for any kind of juices, like I said, grease, food, anything that gets spilled on the paper. So we're gonna let this dry. You can't apply 2 coats on this because the first coat won't let anything penetrate it. So that's how everything's gonna look back here. Once it's dry, you can enjoy the backyard. Let's go check out the front pavers. All right, this is the front. Whew. How glossy this thing look. Look how glossy. Wow. And looking real good. Looks glazed. This is the walkway. The walkway is gonna take a long, the front door area is gonna take a little longer, but it would all dry up. But this driveway came out great. And we did the rust removal up here in the front. I was super happy with it, man. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. If you got questions, just ask. Thank you for Malik for the help. And we're gonna get back on this road before the traffic gets too backed up to get back to Tampa. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.